Hi guys, it's me Eliza, and I know in the past videos that I had sa YouTube ko, marami sila yung mga experiences ko. I showed you guys yung concert ni Eric Santos at ni Stel sa Pechanga, California, at saka sa Van Theater sa Beverly Hills, Los Angeles. It's been a very memorable experience for me dahil like yung unang-una kong inattenan is yung sa Pechanga, mas malapit dito sa amin sa San Diego. It's like an hour drive from San Diego from where I am. So bali second time ko na nakita si Stel in person. The first one is when I had a vacation in the Philippines yung sa Eminem event, and that was an amazing experience as well dahil naka-photo op niya yung anak ko, and I'm pretty sure na sinend ko din dyan sa YouTube channel ko yung experience ng anak ko. And then this time around when Stel and Eric Santos had a concert dito nga sa US, yung first na mapanood ko sila is yung sa Pechanga nga. It's a very memorable experience for me as well too, kasi I met a lot of new friends there, and then up to now I'm still talking to them, and we're like talking about having like a group chat at saka having like a 18 na bubuo kami ng 18 group dito sa West Coast, dito sa along San Diego area in basta sa US. I was so happy I was able to meet them. Tapos may na-meet din ako mga YouTuber, Caters I think. Yeah. She is very nice. Hindi lang siya maganda, but she is very nice, very genuine. And I met a lot of 18s as well from other state, from Las Vegas. Meron din, nagulat ako yung isang kasama ko sa trabaho nasa ibang unit na ano rin pala siya, 18 din pala siya. So I was able to meet yung producer ng concert and also yung producer ng Star Media Entertainment. So after that, we were like talking, and okay, we're gonna meet in LA naman sa Saban Theater. So I think that was the following week after, or yeah, few like more than a week after nung sa ano nila sa Canada concert. They went straight sa US. Medyo pagod sila kasi that morning they arrived, and then that night they nag-show kagad sila sa Seventh Theater sa Beverly Hills. It was a very nice experience as well kasi ang daming 18s, may mga celebrities, Filipino celebrities there na nakita ko na lang sa mga videos ng ibang fans, and then and then marami dong mga booths na mga sponsors. And one thing too na na-shock ako is that they were giving like groceries, a little bit of groceries, and when I asked them, they said that parang ano nila yung promo nila, and I think isa rin sila sa mga sponsors. So that was really nice as well. And then nakita ko na naman yung mga 18s na iba, nagpa-picture ako, meron din kami photo op after the concert. It was a very nice experience as well kasi I was able to have a picture with Stel and Eric, with the rest of the 18s. Nahawakan ko yung kamay niya, I say hi to him, and the following day is a meet and greet in West Covina. That was really very intimate siya kasi pili lang yung mga pumunta doon, yung mga merong SVIP na tickets. So luckily we were able to go there, and as you can see in my video as well na maganda rin yung pinakita ko doon dahil nasa harapan ako mismo ng seat. So I was able to talk to Eric and to Stel. Kahit napagod sila, I can tell, pero they were really gracious enough and very nice enough to talk to the fans and be accommodating. Like si Eric, nakausap ko, tinanong ko kung nakatulog siya, hindi daw siya gano'n nakatulog. Nakita niyo na rin sa video. Ang ganda lang, it's very intimate. And then a few hours after that, diretso si Stel sa Wish Bus, which is like yung fan meet sa West Covina. It was like around from 12 to 2. Pumunta ata, from 12 to 2, and then after that, diretso si Stel sa Wish Bus sa Los Angeles naman sa Hollywood Boulevard. That was very nice. I mean, first time kong na-experience yung Wish Bus USA, and I was so lucky na nakasabay pa namin sa freeway yung bus, and I was like talking to my husband and my son and my daughter na sabi ko, I think this is the Wish Bus na pupuntahan namin. And then so we waited na maaga kami, talagang dapat maaga ka. Nagkataon talaga na nasa unahan talaga kami. I was so happy because nagkaroon din naman ako ng photo opportunity kay Stel. Nasa harapan ko talaga siya, nasa likod lang niya ako. Tapos lalo akong natuwa nung gumanon siya, yung makakap ba siya sa salamin na nakita niya. Talagang nakakatuwa, very genuine yung niya, yung pasasalamat niya sa fans. Pero talaga namang as an 18 and as a Stelberry, talagang suporta kami sa kanya dahil syempre love namin siya, 18 kami, we really support SB19. So, at saka I was very impressed dahil I think first time lang nangyari to sa Wish Bus USA na merong ganung introduction na parang may skit, tas kumanta siya, and then he was able to mingle with the fans, plus sumayaw pa siya ng doon sa part ng room. And then I wanna show you something yun sa Saban Theater. Diba sabi ko sa inyo may mga booths doon. I was able to get a merch. Ayan ito yung binili ko pa, of course, in case ayan. Tapos ito naman, nakita ko na ko to dun sa Wish Bus. Binigay ng isa rin ng 18 din. Fan siya. And then ito pa ang mga binigay sa amin na libre. Natutuwa ako. Like ito, binigay sa amin to sa Wish Bus. This one right here. Yan, nakita ko yan. Tapos ang daming mga photo cards. Like this one right here. Ito ba? Ito. Ayan. Mga photo cards. I was so happy kasi ang dami kong na-collect ng mga ganito. Kasi before nung concert and nung Wish Bus, ito lang ang meron ako. Ito yung binigay sa akin nung M&M fan meet. Nakakatuwa lang talaga. I just wanna tell you yung experience ko as an 18. Tapos first time ko pa sa Wish Bus. And then nagkaroon ako ng mga moments na nakausap ko siya. Tapos lalo akong na-touch kasi nung gumana siya sa salamin, talagang in-acknowledge ni Stel yung yung sinabi ko na ingat ka ha. Tapos gumanon pa siya, ha? Sabi ko, ingat ka. Tapos gumanon siya, oh my God. Talagang, it really made my day. At my age, I'm 49, I'm gonna be 50 this year. I was really, talagang fangirling talaga ako to the max. It really, make my day. At saka, nawawala yung stress ko. Para akong teenager ulit. I just wanna impart you kung ano yung naging experience ko as an 18 dito. And yung mga na-experience ko sa concert and sa Wish Bus. And I hope ma-inspire din kayo. And like, for me, this one right here, it really relieves my stress. Talagang nag-glow ako every time I talk about SB19. And one thing too, ang dami kong nakilalang friends because of them, because of Tel. Ang dami kong nakilala and we have the same na gusto. Tapos, ang saya lang. Just positive. So, yun lang. I just wanna impart yung mga na-experience ko and I hope you guys like it. So, I'm gonna be sending more, but just stay tuned, okay? Bye, guys!